Hello and welcome back to our course on risk management. Today, we'll start a new process called Plan Risk Responses. The Plan Risk Responses process uses the stakeholder risk attitudes and conventions mentioned in the risk management plan as inputs to provide risk response actions to each individual risk and overall project risk. These responses are aligned with the priority assigned to each risk. In this module, we'll look at the purpose and objectives of the Plan Risk Responses process. The main objective of this process is to establish a set of actions that will maximize the probability of project success. To accomplish this goal, the process uses the following actions. Develop plans for the project risks according to their priority. Describe the risk response triggers for each risk in order to enable the execution of contingent risk response actions at appropriate times. Assign responsibility for monitoring project conditions and implementing corresponding actions. Assign risk response responsibilities to risk action owners. Analyze and plan for secondary risks. That is, risks that arise as direct results of risk response implementation. Identify, analyze, document, and communicate residual risks to all the relevant stakeholders. Residual risks are those risks that remain even after risk response implementation, and integrate all the approved unconditional actions from risk response planning into the project management plan and invoke the corresponding organizational and project management rules. That brings us to the end of this first module. In our next session, we'll look at the critical success factors for the Plan Risk Response process. Until then, thank you for learning with us.